All right, so you know I've spoken about the bad and the ugly and all the horrors of the condo, but what I haven't told you about is the good. There is good in condos, and today we're going to talk about it, guys. I'm Paul Beaches Paul, your local realtor and guide to South Florida living, and welcome back to my channel. All right, guys, so we're coming to you from South Winds, one of the condominium buildings here in Delray Beach. There's South Winds and there's East Winds. They're two separate buildings here. They were built around 1985. They're 5 stories tall. And what's really great about this complex, these condos, other than a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath that we're going to show you in a little bit and talk to you about a special program that's exclusive to True Floridian Realty, but unlike all the drama that you're seeing and all the news about the condos and all that, this building has great reserves. They have their money. They have no assessments. They've done their milestone inspection, and very important to a condo building, they have an awesome management, okay? They know how to take care of this building. We've sold multiple units in this building over the years, and it's because the place is so well taken care of, it makes it easy to sell. We have another one that we're going to be showing you today for sale, and it's beautiful and it's been totally renovated. We'll talk about that a little bit later. But in the news, I know I'm the guy with the condo crisis video, right? I think I probably started that trend. It's a lot of drama about all the negative, and there's a whole lot of that going on throughout the whole Florida region. But this building is not. This building is really nice. So we're going to show you some of the amenities, and we're going to show you around this building a little bit. So let's go inside, and we're going to show you the unit. We're going to talk about this great program that is unique to True Floridian Realty, and then we'll show you some more of the amenities that you get here. By the way, the HOA is around $600, under $600, and there is a ton of stuff that you get living here. You have these nice little areas where you can come out here and just, I don't know, read a magazine, have your coffee, and say hi to your neighbor when they come off the elevator, but I don't know if I'd recommend doing that to everybody. Doing a little cleanup here. That's about all I'm good for. All right, guys, so here we are at one of our listings with True Floridian Realty. We're at the South Winds condominium building, and we're just a short distance from the beach here. We're off Linton Boulevard, and as you can see, there's a lot of construction going on. And that is because this particular condo, the seller of this particular condo, who had this property for many years, and when we came and saw it, it was very outdated. Like, when I say outdated, we're going way back, folks. So, but we gave her some options, talked to her about, you could try and sell it like that, which would be very hard to sell, or you could take a look at this great program called the Reno to Sell program that we have with True Floridian Realty. And with that program, we have professional contractors that come in, they do what you see here, you're getting new floors, new kitchen, they make the place look really, really nice. So then, when we want to sell the property, it's nicely updated and ready for you, a potential buyer. So if you want to know more about this program, you want to reach out to me, here's my number right here. Okay, you can also find it down below in the About section where all the stuff is that most people don't want to read, but go read it because there's good info there, especially my number. Reach out to me and we'll talk to you about this program. It's a great program, and yeah, and we're excited to show you the finished product of what this is going to look like. And with the magic of video, 1, 2, 3, magic! All right, guys, isn't this amazing? Look how well this came out. So this is the condo that I told you about in the beginning, where they just had sat for 23 years. She had a tenant in here for 23 years, which good for her, right? If you're a landlord, same tenant, that's what you want. But no updates were done. And it needed a drastic change in order for it to be a comparable property on the market. Look, she could have sold it for less, right? She could have taken the initial offer. We had a cash investment offer for like $150,000. She could have taken that and walked away and been, okay, I'm done with it. She could have tried to put it on the market in the condition and seen what happened, but based on the comps, because that's what we do as professionals, we look at the comps, it wouldn't have flown. But because of the Reno to Sell program, the exclusive program with True Floridian Realty, by the way, click this link here. Trust me, you're going to click that link because you want to know about this program, especially if you have a property down here in South Florida or you know someone that has a property here in South Florida. But through our unique program, she was able to get that condo in the condition that you saw before to looking like this. So this is a great program. So we're going to walk through and I'll show you this because we are going to talk about the whole community. Obviously, we'll show you the amenities here, but obviously this is important to show you the condo. So the seller had a couple options. I want y'all to know that we did give her options. Like I said, there was an investor option. There was also putting it on the market at, a price of like 170 and trying to get it sold. But as y'all have heard me talk about condos right now, right? There's a lot of negativity with condos, and there are a lot of condos on the market. You have to have a property that is going to get someone's attention. And this should get someone's attention, being that it's going to be priced right and it's practically brand new. You've got granite countertops, laminate floors, new paint, and you had to see this place. By the way, I got a little video that my broker took, and like right here where it's all nice and normal, look at the little video that we're going to put up here, and you can see it had these, I don't know, Grecian columns, whatever, and we had 2 different kinds of floors, and it was gross. Kitchen, but now look at this. I mean, you got nice lighting, nice blue. This is a nice, doesn't this look like the ocean? Or you're in paradise, right? Nice blue. Look at this beautiful kitchen, stainless steel appliances, new cabinets, new hardware. So this is what the Reno to Sell program does. And look, we'll go back here, and there's still a few touches. You may see a few things. We have the guys coming to do a few extra touches, because we will be putting this on the market in probably about, while we're recording today, should be about a week, and it'll be on the market. But look at the bathroom. As you come back in here, nice dual vanities. Look how bright it is. Light fixtures. I mean, it was dingy, guys. It was like, you know, a lounge, a bad lounge. And now it's beautiful and warm and welcoming. And, you know, we out here, you have a patio. We can go out there in just a little bit. So you got the patio with a nice view, and you got all the foliage out there, and it's fully screened in, so it keeps all the critters off you. But this program, again, it's something that's unique to the brokerage, True Floridian Realty, and we just want to show you, because I know a lot of you, the bathroom, laundry room, which you don't really need to see, and then this bedroom here. So this program, again, it's not for everybody, right? You do have to qualify for it. There's some, you know, discussions, you have to talk and everything, but here's the beauty of this program. I know a lot of you watching my channel, I'm trying to move around for my camera person. I know a lot of you watching my channel are my age and older, right? I'm 58, and you got some people up there in the 60s, and you probably have some relatives that live down here, and they live in a place and they've done nothing to that place for 20 years. Whether it's a probate issue, maybe they passed away, or they're going into assisted, whatever it is. There's a ton of condos out there that I walk into, and you just look at them and you're like, ugh, you gasp. And my camera person is like shaking her head exactly. She knows, she's been doing this longer than I have. And there's nothing about it that anyone's gonna like. And so what do? You sell it for real cheap and hope you make a little money, or you do a program like this where you get professionals like ourselves, and we team up with professional contractors, and there's no out-of-pocket expense for you, okay? All of this didn't cost the owner anything initially, right? It's obviously not free. The contractor gets paid at the end, right? When this is all done and the property sells, the contractor will get their piece. The seller, though, in this instance, is probably gonna make about $70,000 more than she would have had she tried to sell it in the condition it was in. And if you've ever tried to sell something that's, I'm gonna say it, ugly, people are going to always give low bids and low offers, but if you have something shiny and new, people are going to walk into this property, hopefully it's one of you, and look at this and go, hey, I'm ready to live in Delray Beach. This thing's done, it's ready, all I need is my furniture and my toothbrush, and you've got a nice condo. So I've never talked to y'all about this program. It's been around, we've been doing it for a while. We've done well over 100 homes here in South Florida, but I wanted to bring it to your attention because I know a lot of you are looking at condos, and a lot of my videos have been about negative. And this building, by the way, just, you know, we're gonna talk about it, their reserves, they're good. This place has done their milestone inspection. They're solid. This isn't one of the condos that, oh, we're gonna freak out and have assessments. No, they've done all their homework. So this is a great building to look at, and that's why I'm bringing it to you, because it's a great condo. It's in Delray Beach. It's maybe 2-3 miles from the beach, and it's just west of 95. And we're gonna go and I'll show you the amenities here in the place, because South Winds and East Winds is the name of this community. It's really nice. But leave a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think about this unit. I mean, would you be interested in something like this? Leave a comment. Don't forget to hit that link that I provided for you a little while ago. Of course, you can call my number, which is right here. Call that number. I'd be happy to talk to you about it and see if you qualify. But we have some more to show you. We need to show you the outside. We need to go show you some of the amenities. They have a nice clubhouse. They have a swimming pool. And yeah, I'm excited. This is fun. I'm glad I'm bringing this to you guys because I think it's important. So, all right, let's go outside. By the way, this particular unit faces east, so you can sit out here, you can have your morning coffee, watch the South Florida sunrise, and down below there's some trees and the other building, and it's actually really nice and quiet. All right, and just a short drive away, you could walk right over here, is the clubhouse with all the amenities. We're gonna go inside and check that out. You get a little key fob, so I'll show you that, but this is pretty nice to have because, you know, some communities don't have much to offer. This one has a really nice clubhouse and a fantastic pool, which I could so jump in right now. I know, that's a trend in my videos, right guys? Maybe if I get up to 25, no, 30,000. Get me to 30,000 views, subscribers. So we have 30,000 views, we have 4 million views. Get me to 30,000 subscribers and I will jump in a pool in my suit. All right, so clubhouse inside, it's got some chairs and a place where you can have your meetings and all that. But you know, obviously this is where you want to come out and enjoy. They do have a fitness center here, but guys, we're not going to go show you that because people are working out and, you know, they don't want me putting a camera on them. That's kind of weird. But nice pool, lots of space here. And we got your jacuzzi back over here. Chill out after you've worked out. And oh, well, listen, if it's South Florida, you know where my heart is, right? Jimmy Buffett, live in paradise. I mean, if you come in here, we can invite you to the Tiki Bar is open. They have a bar with a grill, and you can come out here and probably have some fun if you have some parties or whatnot. And there's no lack of chairs for you to find your own spot to get out here and enjoy. It's also not winter time here in South Florida. There are permanent residents who live in this building, but there's also a lot of snowbirds. So for you snowbirds, this would be a great property. Come down here in the winter, short drive down to the beach, nice swimming pool. It's gonna get cold up there real soon. You know it's coming, guys. The snow's coming. Shovel that ice. Not here in South Florida. The only ice we have, go on our margaritas. Last two things. Be sure to watch the next two videos at the end of this video because, hey, there's more great content that I have about living here in South Florida. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell so you get notified. Remember, you get me to 30,000 subscribers, I'm jumping in a suit in the pool. So, all right, guys, I appreciate it. And as always, if you have any real estate needs here in South Florida, reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you. Again, all my contact information is listed down below, and I'd be more than happy to help you buy, sell any real estate here in South Florida. All right, as always, get out and enjoy paradise. I'll talk to you next week.